how to withdraw money from Tonkeeper app. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Tonkeeper and figuring out how to download or withdraw that cryptocurrency and turn it into spendable cash. Now, before we begin, just a heads up, Tonkeeper itself doesn't directly connect to your bank account. So to withdraw money, we'll need to convert our crypto to a regular currency first. There are two main ways to do this. First are P2P marketplaces. Here you can exchange your crypto with other users directly. It can offer better rates but might take a bit longer. Next are third party services. These services act as middlemen, converting your crypto for a fee. They're usually faster but might have slightly lower exchange rates. Now we'll cover both methods in this video. First is the P2P marketplace. So, the first thing you need to do is to open the Tonkeeper app. Log in and head to the buy or sell section. Then, choose sell. Select the currency you want to withdraw to. Next is pick a P2P offer. Look for offers with good reputations and rates. Then, review your details. Double check the exchange rate, fees, and payment methods. Initiate trade. Follow the app's instruction to complete the trade. Once the buyer confirms receiving your crypto, you'll get your money through the chosen method, whether it be bank transfer, PayPal, or etc. The next one is withdrawing via third-party services. Go to the buy sell, similar to the P2P method, choose sell, then select your desired withdrawal currency. After that, you need to pick a third-party service. Tonkeeper might offer options like Mercurio or Dreamwalkers. These services will have their own interfaces within the app. Follow on-screen prompts. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. The service will handle the conversion and send the money to your linked account, bank, or PayPal. Just important notes, security, you need to always double check the recipient address before confirming any transaction. Fees, be aware of fees associated with both P2P trades and third-party services. And you might need to verify your identity with some services for larger withdrawals. That's it. With these methods, you can easily withdraw your money from Tonkeeper. Remember, research different options and choose the one that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.